What's up guys, welcome back to another video. What if I told you you can create high-end fashion design, professional content and viral levels visuals without any design skills? Welcome to the future. This is AI Fashion Week powered by Fancy AI. AI Fashion Week is not just a trend, it's a revolution. Designers, creators, and even complete beginners are now using AI to generate stunning fashion concepts, editorial style photos, unique brand visuals, and the craziest. You don't need experience, you just need the right AI tool. So let's take a look at the Fancy AI gallery. Here you can explore AI generated fashion campaigns, creative digital art, professional grade content made in minutes. Everything you see here is generated by AI. From luxury fashion vibe to streetwear concept, it's like having your own creative studio powered by artificial intelligence. So now here's where things get more interesting. Fancy AI comes with an AI expert, your personal assistant that helps you to create exactly what you want, even you are complete a beginner. So first of all, you can check it out. High fashion editorial look with a futuristic neon style. So let's test this out, and you can also check it out. I will just type in a simple idea within seconds, and you can check it out. Here is the result which are in front of you. You can also check them out. Look at this. This is something that would normally take hours, or even a professional designer took hours to editing on this video, and you can also check out the result on the screen. It's look tremendous. So guys, here's my next prompt. Create concept with a model and minimal background. So, and just like that, and other professional level output. You can check it out. It looks so much great and amazing. And after that is my next prompt: generate content ideas for the AI fashion Instagram page. And you can check, it doesn't just create a visual, it can also help you full creative team in one place. So this is why they are becoming so powerful. You save time, you don't need technical skills, you can create unlimited content, and you can actually build a brand from scratch. Whether you are a content creator, a fashion enthusiast, or just someone explore AI, this tool makes you simple everything. So AI Fashion Week is just beginning. The future of the creativity is AI, and tools like Fancy AI are leading the way. So if you want to try it yourself, check it out by link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay updated for more AI tools and projects. Thank you. That was our video. I hope you love. So maybe we will meet in next video. Have a great day. Please keep safe and stay happy.